Welcome. In front of me I have the SONOS ROAM 2, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the speaker itself. So anyway, let's pop it open. We do have pull tabs right here, which, like some manufacturers, don't actually rip halfway through. Oh wow, that's actually much smaller than I expected, which is what she said. So yeah, this is a very small speaker. Now on camera it might not be as like visible, but for instance, I'm gonna bring into view the Bose SoundLink Mini, and this is, even though this is already a small speaker, the Sonos one is even smaller. So it's a bit taller though. Now, I have no idea if I can actually connect it without... Oh yeah, I should. It has Bluetooth. Sonos is usually very annoying when it comes down to pairing their devices. You need to go through Wi-Fi, but these ones are Bluetooth by the looks of it, though it's not really turning on. Can you boot up? Oh, there we go. So, let's see how quick it takes me to actually connect to this. Oh, it's already showing up, and pair. Damn, that was really quick. Okay, now let's check out some Crab Rave. Huh? Okay, that's a bit odd. It's connected. Can you play maybe? Gonna try Spotify maybe quickly. Huh? What's wrong? Okay, so I genuinely cannot get it to play. And just to show you, let me just quickly clear everything that I might not want to show. So here we have Crab Rave playing. Oh, whoa, there we go. That was insane. So it looks like it needs to have a specific volume, though I did max it out for a brief moment before and it still wasn't playing. Anyway, so there it is. Just a quick little listen. Super small, portable speaker. Sounds decent for obviously for the size, though it's Sonos, so you also get to pay. And truth be told, when at least if you're planning to just have one speaker, Probably going with Sonos won't be as great of an idea, as they do benefit from like pairing to each other. One doesn't really get you that much, and you can get cheaper options most certainly, because I can already guess that this is probably over $100. But you know what, I am going to check it quickly. So it's bear with me while I'm trying to boomer my way out of this. Sonos ROAM 2. Let's see what the price is. Oh boy, it's closer to $179. Yeah, that is a bit of a insane price when you can get something like this, which sounds basically better, at least from my personal opinion, and has more functionality, as it does still support auxiliary, has a little charging base. Yeah, I've been personally very satisfied. This is super old too, so you can probably pick this up for like 50 to 70 bucks used, compared to the $179 that this costs. So yeah. Now if you're planning to have more of a setup and connect with other Sonos devices, which I think these devices can, then this makes a little bit more sense. Just one, not so much. It's a bit egregiously overpriced. So with that out of the way, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.